After 2 years of development, my first game, Lazerball, is finally being released. There's been some big additions since I last did a devlog like a year ago. Let's take a look. So last year I decided to restart my game from scratch, with the biggest visual difference being the art style of the characters. At that time I only had 2 characters animated, but now I've managed to create 4 more fully animated playable characters. And that's it! No more. It takes forever to create these characters. I didn't enjoy the long, arduous process of animating every single frame. But it's done. Let's see what we got. So we have Corvin, the all-rounder. He has an average speed and curve ability, and is a good starter character. Othello, the octopus pretending to be a person. Othello has a high curve ability and speed, but only 2 jumps. Catherine, on the other hand, has 5 jumps and does extremely powerful hits. This is balanced by her light curve and slow recovery times after hits. Kirk. He's similar to Othello with super speed and high curve ability, but a significant lack of power and again only 2 jumps. Xanthar, who is fast and has multiple jumps and a quick recovery. He does however have minimal curve and hit power. And Craw, the slow, powerful croc with a decent curve, but really slow recovery times. So this past year I've been working with some talented UK artists to create the soundtrack for Lazerball. In game you can choose from 5 DJs who have 3 tracks each, for a total of 15 unique tracks to listen to. Their music will be played whilst you battle it out in the arenas, and you can choose to skip tracks if you like. Another big addition is the Commentator, a wily presenter who comments on the games as you play. You can of course turn this guy off as well if he starts to get a bit too goading. And the last biggest update is the multiple game modes. So before, all I had was the original game mode where everyone has 4 lives and you each try to take out everyone else to win. What I actually found when I was playing with friends was that the most enjoyable moments were when you hit a precise shot on another player. Oh, that was so good. I'm really loving this.
I'm really not.
Oh, it's one again. Thank you. Which is obviously great because that's what you want, where the main element of a game is hitting a ball at other players. So I created game modes in keeping with this. So we've got the points game mode, where the more you hit other players, the more points you get. And the Marksman game mode, where one player is chosen as a marksman each round and must try to KO every other player before the time runs out. I think this really adds extra variety and gameplay value when you're playing with your mates and you want to show off your skills.
I don't need double jump when I got these curves, woo!
But as well as these 3 game modes about hitting each other with the ball, I also did add a 3rd one where there are 2 teams that are trying to score in each other's goals. It again just adds more variety, and it was quite easy, so why not? After adding these game modes and all the other things I've added to the game, it's finally complete. Let me know what you think, and please wishlist it if it's something you like the look of. It should be available by the time this video goes out, maybe the next day, depends how long it takes me to edit this. But the link's in the description anyway. So, thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.